Go for it, Juice.
So this is our, well, first, this is Apple, and he's holding the camera, and I'm Juice. So today we're going to be doing this monster truck set, and it's the back. It's all the stuff we need. I'm gonna open it. Okay.
All right, we'll get back to you when we have it all organized. First thing we always do is organize all the parts. We like these kits, and we want to make sure that we are successful. Cowabunga. Juice.
I got all my parts organized. Now I think we can start with the instructions and buy, I guess.
We'll update you guys in a little bit. A little update on the truck. Looks like we got the bed together and glued it. We did stray from the instructions just a little bit. Let me see if I can get this clear here for you. I don't know, my camera's probably not good enough, but long story short, it said to put each side in this one first, then each side in, I think, this one first. But what ended up happening, you actually have to insert these from the side, if that makes sense. Anyway, long story short, we did this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece, and the grill onto one side first, glued, and then we came back and put this on last. We'll update you again.
Ready for the glue to dry.
Waiting for the glue to dry.
Or I mean, waiting for the glue to dry, and we're just playing a catch can. Oh. We ended up using some super glue for this, so all I really need to tell you. Quick update, just waiting for the glue to dry. Okay, I'm finished building this and still being careful because the glue is actually kind of still drying a little bit, and I'm gonna paint it. Now we are putting on the stickers. Wait, where are the stickers? Over here. We go. Okay, so so we're gonna put the stickers on. That's all.
I'm Apple.
And I'm Juice.
Thanks, Aunt Christy.